Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. And this morning we are in Craighead, Manchester again, and we are going to visit Mr. Mullins. It has been a while since we have come to see him. And so this morning we are bringing him some groceries. Because of YJ, all of this is possible. I want to say thanks always to YJ for your continued support. For helping us to help others. Please also remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video, it will be updated. All right, Mr. Mullins. Mr. Mullins.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, ma'am.
How you do?
You do anything yet, ma'am?
What happened now? What happened?
Papa. How are you? The boss like a money. Boss like a money this morning.
Are you boss in your wheelchair this morning?
Eh?
Your boss in your wheelchair this morning?
I know this one no.
All the while.
You always had this one?
Yeah.
Oh, but you never used to use it?
The wheelchair? Yeah, man, we use it out the road.
Oh, but you can't use it in the house now because you get the floor done now.
Yeah, man, yes, I know. We have it. Upside down in the house, yeah.
Okay, so let me see what it look like. Oh, okay. Okay.
Is it good, man?
Yes. You're more comfortable now?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Busy body.
Oh, okay. So what you up to this morning?
Me?
Why you have a foot in a bag? What happened to it now?
Yeah?
Why you have your foot in the bag?
No, man, me then I go to the door.
Oh, so you were pushing it outside?
Aye.
Okay.
When you go to the door, me put on it. As me no dirty up.
Okay. You pick some of the noni, I see the noni bearing. You pick some of it, I smell it.
Eat yeah, man.
Oh, you have some in a bottle because me say me smell noni.
Yeah, man, you have a drink, man. Yeah, man, and sometimes me make you get one money out of it.
Oh, you make it and sell it sometimes?
Yes, man.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, man, sometimes a day one man come and me no buy no money. And he comes to me with 1/4 it and
You buy it from you?
he buy for me, man.
Oh, that's very good. Yeah.
And medicine, you know.
Yes.
Yes, man, a good medicine.
So it's who pick it for you or you just pick them up?
Pick them up, man.
You pick them up?
Pick them up and wash them off.
Okay.
Pick them up and wash them off, man. See?
Oh, okay. All right, so Mr. Mullins will bring us some grocery this morning.
Okay.
YJ, who is always donating to you.
God be praised.
Yes, she sent some funds for us to get some groceries. In fact, she handed us some funds because she was here.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So we're able to buy groceries for you, all right?
Okay, man.
Okay, so sit here. Let me pull the bag.
Push pears. Me say push pears in a bag.
What you call so now? Oh, the eggs?
Push pears.
I don't know what that, Mr. Mullins. You have to tell me right name.
You have been all this eating there.
Oh, you mean the pear? In the bag, in the bag is a picture.
Yeah. What make with the bag?
This is what. It's a picture on the bag. It's not in the bag.
Okay.
All right. So here.
Okay.
Rest it right here. Ooh.
Yeah, man. God be praised.
Yeah. Eggs in there here.
Yes, man. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yes, man. I get me bother your phone some of the time. I'm not here, you know.
You're not here, we are called, we're not true.
I must sound no people, I'm busy.
Yes.
You know where we know there.
Yeah, man.
You know, said this man, you're not left you. It's all not left another company.
Yes.
So me there know which party he used to the post.
Yes.
Me buy me know which party in there.
Yeah. So the food alright?
Yeah man.
Take your time plastic make we see it.
Yeah man. I'm going to water then that's your pan.
Water throw it on it?
It's a hot water.
Oh, so you can't cook. No, you want this a plastic
No man, see it.
hot water throw it on it?
Yeah, right now do you know today.
You did go a doctor with him, Mr. Mullins?
Yeah,
Don't
man.
put it back in the bag. Don't put it in there because it'll go
No sir, so doctor said me pick it be.
Doctor said if you keep it in the bag?
When me a go out. Right me a go out a door. When me a go out a door, me no doctor me foot man.
But what happened with you? Because one of the time we came, you had the thing on your foot top. And then the water burn you.
Yeah,
So
man.
how the water throw away on you?
No sir, one little picking then come here. And picking come here, you know, strong picking no sensible. So this year, here no.
The pot?
The part. In grab off it.
Oh no. And drop off it on your foot?
And it drop on my foot.
Lord.
I think you're a doctor, man.
So how you never tell me when you call we?
That time I got a doctor and come back long time.
You could have tell we still so that we're not surprised when we come.
Then you come to me. If you then come in, so no, if I in, so your question, see there.
Oh, so what is that him give you?
Tablet.
Oh, tablet for it? For the pain?
Yeah, man, see there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, right, man.
Okay.
Yesterday, me around there, so.
Where around there I do?
Look too line.
Oh, you look lame.
Yes, man.
You say you did have food or you did run out?
Run out, man.
You run out?
Run out. You know, see, there. Line, then go look, see there.
Oh, okay. So you look lame, just one lime you find? Is one lime you find?
I know the one me find is about one.
Oh, that the one you find for sure we? Okay.
I mean, good do.
So you had breakfast this morning already? You had breakfast this morning?
This morning. It's something, I said, then get one piece of bread here.
Oh, you did? Oh, you must have eat one slice of bread? You don't remember? Eh?
I remember.
How you look for?
I look for Mr. Mullins. How are you people them a pass?
I look at.
If them a pass?
How you look for?
If somebody a pass here.
Okay.
One woman then be come here to me.
Oh.
And she want him a go. You see how no make no banana then TV.
Then if the Lord have mercy. But it never ready when we did come, so we couldn't cut it.
And gone with the brother.
Oh no. Alright, Mr. Mullins.
Some boy for nata. Teeth like a puss. No man, me go with power. When my cousin there the other already in go up there. Me wait up by Baba man shop for part of this. We go here the other. Did they when me come down in the evening, banana gone. It's about 3 stems. They gone. And the line them pick off the line.
Oh no.
You then see the amount of lime. And somebody tell me say $500 dozen.
$500 dozen for lime now?
And get for it.
Oh, okay.
And can go here to go sell on.
Okay. Alright, Mr. Mullins, we're going to leave you now. Yeah?
Me I hear you. Me I hear you.
You're gonna leave, you know, here?
Yeah.
All right.
Another time.
Yes, man, one next time. All right.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Thanks again to YJ. It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for always, you know, for your continued support, you know, of the work that we do and for assisting in particular Mr. Mullins and a few others. So until next time. Yes, and it's a pleasure also, YJ, because we got an opportunity to meet you and your cousin. I will not say her name, but it was a pleasure indeed. All right, so God bless you, and until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks for making it Likkle, Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. All right, Mr. Mullins.
Right.